It was a gloomy start for most Malaysian stocks as the FBM-KLCI slumped in its first day of trading in 2019. This was mainly thanks to fresh signs of stuttering growth in China as its factory activity shrinks amid weakening orders. China's Caixin market PMI reading had contracted to 49.7 in December from 50.2 in November, days after the official PMI registered 49.4. This caused the local benchmark composite to stumble by 1.33% to end the day at 1,668.11. At the open, it was trading less than 7 points below the 1,700 mark. Meanwhile, major stock indexes in Europe and Asia also tumbled. Hong Kong's Hang Seng led the rout, closing 2.8% lower. The Shanghai Composite fell 1.2%, while the UK's FTSE was down 1.2% in midday trade. Prime Minister Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad says the ECRL, which was suspended in July, can be carried out if China agrees to a proposal to downsize the project. Mahathir told Sinchu Daily that Putrajaya and Beijing are still in talks over the ECRL and have yet to find a way to resolve the issue. Putrajaya is facing a dilemma. If it terminates the rail project, it will have to make a substantial amount of compensation. However, it faces financial difficulties in executing the project. Therefore, one solution would be to make amendments to the 60 billion ringgit ECRL in order to avoid incurring high costs. However, Mahathir said Beijing is reluctant to make any changes. FGV Holdings has appointed Dato Muhammad Hairul Abdul Hamid as CFO, a position left vacant after Ahmad Tifli Muhammad Talha resigned last October. In a Bursa filing, FGV said Muhammad Hairul was a former CFO of MRT Corp. He started his career in May 1994 as a management trainee of Sime Darby and worked his way up the ranks to CFO of Sime Darby Plantations, a post he held from June 2008 to June 2011. He was then CFO of Sime Darby's Energy and Utilities Division from February 2011 to February 2012, before taking on the role as MRT Corp CFO from March 2012 to December 2018. Big Brother is watching in Penang as the state becomes the first in Malaysia to launch a facial recognition system to combat crime and improve public safety. According to media reports, the 12 million ringgit project runs on IBM-developed AI, which will collect data via CCTV cameras. Chief Minister Chow Kon Yeow reportedly said this will enable the authorities to identify and locate wanted criminals. Currently, MBPP has installed 767 CCTVs, while MPSP has set up 130. The state plans to install 3,000 units by year 2020. Nestle Malaysia says its sales have doubled on Shopping Malaysia within a year of its partnership with the online marketplace. Nestle collaborated with Shopee in March 2017 as part of its continuous expansion into the e-commerce space. By participating in all Shopee campaigns, Nestle says it was able to reach new segments of consumers and build a base of loyal online shoppers. To date, Nestle has over 700 unique products on Shopee. Nestle also tops the grocery category on Shopee, which led to its win as the Seller of the Year at the Shopee Seller Awards 2018. Meanwhile, Shopee says 2018 was a record-breaking year for Nestle and is confident that 2019 would be an even better year for both firms.